The door whisker switch automatically starts the dish machine when the door closes. The installation demonstrated in this video does not stop the machine when the door is opened, only starts when closed. If the dish machine is already equipped with a quick start timer, normal installation time is about 10 to 15 minutes. The door whisker switch kit 632kW includes all of the necessary parts for this installation. If the machine does not currently utilize a quick start timer, it will be necessary to install one. Prepare to install the door whisker switch on the back of the dish machine by removing the nut and bolt holding the upper fill line tube fastener. This requires a 7/16 inch wrench and pliers. Once the nut and bolt are removed, install the whisker switch bracket. Using the same bolt, push through the top hole of the whisker switch bracket and into the mounting hole. Replace the nut and tighten. Note movement of the whisker switch and clicking sound when the switch is pivoted. Operate the door to verify the movement of the switch and confirm alignment. You want the door bar to contact the whisker switch and move it about a ½ inch toward the dish machine hood when the door is closed. To adjust the whisker switch, loosen the outside nut and screw, allowing the switch base to rotate in the slotted opening of the bracket. Loosen the inside nut and screw and rotate the whisker switch toward or away the door bar. Ideally, the switch must be in its normal straight upright position. When the door is closed, the door bar moves the switch about a ½ inch toward the hood of the dish machine. Pivot the switch for correct positioning. Once correctly positioned, tighten nut and screws. To confirm the switch is operating, use a voltmeter to test continuity. Locate the ends of the whisker switch. Use the black and white wires with female terminals. Turn the voltmeter on and switch to read ohms. The ohms symbol on the meter looks like an upside down horseshoe. Take the voltmeter red lead and insert as indicated to read ohms and the black lead where indicated on the meter. To confirm the meter is operating properly, touch the two leads together. The display should read 0 resistance. This means that the circuit is completely closed with no resistance. The black and white whisker switch wires are normally open. When the switch is in its normal position, the circuit is open. When the whisker switch moves, it closes. When the door bar pushes on the whisker switch, the circuit closes. Place the voltmeter leads in the female connectors of the whisker switch and open the door. The switch moves to its normal position, open. When the door is closed, the switch moves to the closed position and starts the machine. Use nylon ties to secure the whisker switch cable to the fill line tubing. To connect the whisker switch cable to the chemical pump box, remove the peri-pump tri-roller bracket. Locate an unused 3/4 inch opening in the bottom of the chemical box. Feed the whisker switch cable through the opening. Be sure to use the strain relief connector provided in the installation kit to secure the cable. Add the lock nut and tighten. Replace the peri-pump bracket. The red and green wires of the whisker switch cable are not used. Tape these to the cable. On the quick start timer, remove the wire connected to the yellow wire with red tracer. If you are connecting the whisker switch with an older style quick start timer, remove the yellow wire connected to the number 6 male terminal. Connect the white wire from the whisker switch cable to the yellow wire with the red tracer or the number 6 terminal on the quick start timer. Connect the black wire from the whisker switch cable to a red wire in the chemical pump box. Reconnect the power, turn on the machine, Open and close the door to verify installation was successful. Troubleshooting the Whisker switch. Set your voltage meter to the ohms position. Place the voltmeter leads in the female connectors of the Whisker switch and open the door. The switch moves to its normal position. Open. When the door is closed, the switch moves to the closed position and starts the machine. Another way to troubleshoot the door start switch is to use the parapump motor to confirm the Whisker switch is working. Here's how. Disconnect the Whisker switch white wire from the quick start timer yellow wire with red tracer. Disconnect the blue wire from the rinse aid parapump motor. Connect the blue parapump wire and the Whisker switch white wire. When the door is closed, the pump should run, and when it is open, the pump will stop. If the Whisker switch does not operate correctly, verify it is adjusted correctly and replace if faulty. Replace pump cover, replace power. Close door to start the machine and confirm operation.